My family has been in the trucking business since 1906. My great uncle, he had a trailer repair shop, and years after that, we bought the Mack dealership in 1988.
Ballard decided to become a Mack dealer because they were looking for a long-term relationship with a well-known manufacturer that they could grow and prosper for generations to come. And it's proven to be right.
Mack has been a great partner. They're almost like family.
I think Mack's played a big part in the growth and the success of Ballard over the years by coming out with innovative products and providing better customer support than any other manufacturer out there. For decades, our focus is on getting better at what we do and making our customers happier. And as long as Mack continues to provide that kind of support, we're going to be successful in the future.